In this video, I'll show you how to exchange your Love2shop gift card for an e-gift card quickly and easily. Make sure to follow all the steps so you don't miss anything. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Love2shop website. Sign in to your account and you'll be redirected to the home page. Next, select the Exchange option. Navigate to the section where you can manage, activate, and spend your Love2shop gift card. Look for the option to exchange your physical gift card for an e-gift card. You can then exchange your Love2shop gift card for e-gift cards from over 40 popular brands. Select the brand and the value of the e-gift card you want to receive. And that's it, you're done. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly exchange your Love2shop gift card for an e-gift card. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.